Welcome back. A little backstory to this. This is a creek where I had fished a long time ago. This was my Sunday after church. I only had a few hours and I'd drive up and fish this creek. It's close to the house. And it is known for having very small fish. But it's all wild. It's the closest wild fish. Also, more importantly, for this Saturday that I fished, everywhere else the water was high. We had a lot of rain. We had a massive drop in temperature. All the conditions were wrong, but this creek was not high. It was probably about normal, and it was in good shape. That was kind of my only option unless I wanted to take a chance and drive an hour and a half. This was only about 40 minutes from the house. So this is it. Guys, hope you just wanted to know some backstory. Anyway, enjoy. Welcome back to the channel. You know, got a beautiful day. Got a beautiful little creek here. Problem is, yesterday was about 20-25 degrees warmer than it is right now. Such a downturn in temperatures from one day to the next, guys. I'm not gonna catch squat. But you know what? It's better than being at work, better than sitting around the house doing nothing. And it's cold. There's a wind blowing. It's supposed to get up to 40-mile-an-hour gusts today. Let's go catch some fish. Hey, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. See you on the river in a minute. I guess y'all have heard me say it 1,000 times. I literally have not fished this in 30 years. Literally 30 years. But today is not a good day to fish due to weather changed, got clear and cold. It's only about 45 minutes from the house, so this gets the nod today. And I'm not gonna catch squat. I'm just telling you, not today. Oh no, oh, that was, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, that fish was an inch and a quarter, I think. Oh, put him on the medieval rack. We could probably get him out to 1.5 inches. Oh, he came up and bit the dry though. Okay, tied a new fly on. It's a little bushier. It also will not get caught in the trees as easily, and see what happens. About a size, oh good grief, might I'll just show y'all what this is. Hope y'all can see that. Little size 16 hair wing, gray dun, quill body. I love quill bodies. I am convinced that it makes a difference. It also does not soak up water, and that's a nice thing. It's good looking spot right there. Well, it sure is a beautiful day, man. What a beautiful creek. Oh, it's been a long time. Okay, right here. Oh no, no. A bigger one came up, hit it, and then this guy got it at the last, after the big one got off. I say big. Yep, I'm up to my usual. The big one, a bigger one took it. I'll be dang. Might catch some fish after all today, guys. It might actually happen. That big one ain't gonna come back up. Oh no. Big one came up, hit it, spit it out, and a little one came in and grabbed it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I might catch a couple of fish after all. I'll be honest with you. I ain't expecting to catch anything today. I just like being out here. I just love being out here. Oh man, that wasn't a bad one. For this creek, guys, these are small. This creek has never produced good fish. I think the biggest one I ever caught out of here was probably 9 inches, maybe 10. Yeah, I think I did catch a 10-incher once. Now I'm expecting 4, 5, 6-inch fish. If I catch anything. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ah, the wind is grabbing my leader while I'm keeping it off the surface. The wind's grabbing it and and dragging the fly downstream. Where's the fly? There it is. Oh, he was small, but he was there. He just didn't take it all the way. He did that time. Oh my gosh, that is a small fish. Oh no, he's smaller than I thought. Okay. 2 inch, maybe 2.5 on the right day. Come on, really? Anyway. Hey, had a couple of fish come up. Not gonna complain about that. I think there's one over here. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, golly. Dang it. Give me a wide open creek and I will get hung up. Doesn't matter. I'm thinking. You got depth. You got slow next to warm. Yeah, this is everything. This is, if there's going to be a fish, this would be a good place for him to be. So I'm casting it and putting it over on that rock to keep this faster current from messing up my drip. I think it's just going to be the small ones today. Wait a minute. That's about all that's in here is small ones, to be honest with you. Well, sure is some pretty water though. Crystal clear. It's not high like I thought it was going to be. It has rained and rained and rained, but come on. Oh man, it was right in there. It looked like a decent drift too. That's a great spot for a trout to be. Got no current to deal with. He can take his time and look stuff over. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is what I was expecting. Well, correctly, I wasn't expecting anything, but if they were gonna bite, this is what I was expecting out of this creek. Oh, if I can get him. Yep, little totally wild rainbow. That, I love it. Guys, I know that is a small fish. But that's what I came here for. I love it. And I know, I mean, if you catch a 10-incher out of here, that literally is a trophy. Ah, man, look, just look at it. Guys, just look at it. And then when spring hits and this greens up, oh my goodness. But I love this. This is awesome. I love it when a plan comes together. Hey, good looking spot. A lot of depth, slow current. Trick is, can I get the fly? Oh yeah, there we go. Golly, I might as well use, oh, tame pole. Oh, another. Oh shoot. I'm gonna get this thing in. Okay guys, this is what I expected. This is what I expected. Catch them on dry flies in early March. Ah. Cold weather. There we go. Ah. I was like, I ain't gonna be able to make a video today, man. Look at it, just look at it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Man, it's been so long. Yeah, I had to dry my fly off. I'm trying to figure out how to make a, I know what we'll do, just that right there, boom. Right there. Come on, waves, don't sink it, dang it. Might as well use a cane pole, guys. I'm 10 car fishing. Oh golly. Don't let Ben from Huge Fly Fisherman know that I'm 10 car fishing. You know, it's kind of funny. I love the Everglades. The Everglades is all beautiful. It's so beautiful. But this is beautiful, and they're different. A different kind of beauty. And I can't say one is more beautiful than the other because they're so different. I love it. Absolutely love it. Especially when a fish bites. I cannot get in there. Oh, finally. Right where I wanted it. And the wind's blowing my leader up and dragging the fly like crazy. That wind is stout today, guys. It's just gonna get worse. Just gonna get worse. Oh, right where I wanted it. Right where, oh man, and then the dang wave sinks it immediately. I'll let it sink. Who knows? Oh, this is a good spot right there. Oh yeah, right under that rock. Oh shoot! He was there. He was there, and he is small. But he was there. He looked bigger. I don't know. Anyway. Oh yeah. I got it, guys. Oh yeah. I own it. I own the small fish market. I got a monopoly. I'm gonna be yelling. People gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. Well, they'd be right. This is crazy. Price of gas these days, driving up here wasn't cheap. Spending my time, spending my gas money to catch these micro fish. Somebody's got to do it. I'm going to take one for the team. Oh, he should have been right there. That's where he should have been. Right there. Oh, he came up. Didn't take it. I picked it up and he came back up and broke the surface. I don't know. Fisher, no. There he goes. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're in the micros. Guys, I'm having fun. Shoot fish. He ain't as wide as my hand. In my hand, I got small hands for a dude. That old saying about the size of your hands and the size of other things, that's not true. Oh wow, it's beautiful. I just crawled up that mess. Let's see. There gotta be one right here. Wing sticking up. That's right. That's right. That's the way to do it. And oh, he did. He was there. He came up and tapped it. It was small. God, that fish was small. But I couldn't really see him good because of the debris. Oh well. Okay. Move to a different stretch. It's a little gentler, not as much drop. This is also a special regulations water. This stretch right here, single hooked artificial only. Catch and release completely. Should have been there, fish. Ah. Dang it. Oh, he took it. I didn't know he was on there. That was a small fish. What am I saying? Every fish in this river is small, guys. Very small. Oh yeah, okay. We got ourselves a fish. Where you at? Where you at? Oh no! Biggest fish of the day. Got off. Dang it. That's alright, man. Biggest fish of the day, right there in that little pocket. That was a good one for here. I doubt he's got a buddy. He probably runs everybody else out of that little pocket. No doubt. It had to stay there though for a while before he'd hit it. Got one. Oh man, he's a big one. Oh, taking me into the backing. There he goes. All 3 inches of him. He was there though. He bit. My kind of fish, man. Today, I'll take it. He said, you asked? Shoot, dang it. Okay, that was small. Still on? Yeah, he's still on. Oh no, it ain't even a trout, guys. Not even a trout. It's a minnow. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It is a literally big brown trout food. Shoot. I have found this to be true though. The prettier the pool, less likely I'm going to catch a fish in it. Unless there's a really good hatch. Oh yeah. Dang it. No. No. That was a better fish. I had too much slack in my line. Derek. I never did set the hook really. Dang it. Came up and ate it. And it was a better fish. That would have been the fish of the day. Another fish of the day that I missed. I can catch those little micros, man. Too much slack in the line. I could not set the hook. And I started trying to pull in line. I couldn't. I grabbed the wrong one. Ah! I'll be honest, guys. Had more action than I thought I was going to get today. I'm serious. More action than I expected. Well, guys, trying to cast. I got ice on my rod guides. That does not help your casting at all. Kind of hard to shoot line like that when it's literally frozen. It's literally frozen to the rod. Holy cow. A little chilly today, a little chilly. Last couple of fish. Come on, fish.
And then the battery died. And that was it for the day. Besides, it just got colder really fast. That sun went down behind the mountain. It just got cold, and I said, you know what? Time to go home. Guys, thank you for watching. And one of these days, hope to see you out there on the river sometime. In a river where there's some nice fish and not micros. Thanks.